Man. How far?
Jenna, good.
There, man. There. Bitch.
That is it. Okay.
I want to stay. What else?
Jenna.
You sure about this?
Yeah, man. You see, right now, I pray the family thing more. I want to spend more time with the family. You see me? And the line of work, yeah, down the line, somewhere down the line, star, my daughter got there at risk. So, I don't want it to reach us, and that's why I'm really just ease off, you see me?
So you talked to the boss lady and Mr. Mullings about this already?
Yeah, you don't know it go. I have to do my best to me and my daughter. That's it.
I hope that's what you say, you know. And that's why I have to change up certain lifestyle, you see me? So you see anything I do right now, just because I'm a youth, you see it?
You know, as too young Jenna, I rate them and them reasoning, you know. And right now, everyone have to do what is in the best interest of them and them family. Even though more royal people might figure say the wrong thing you do and not the right move you make, you have to do what is good for you, you know? At all times.
It don't really matter what nobody wants to say, you know. Because at the end of the day, I have to do it for my family. I'm passionate about the work, you know. When you see if my face go out there, that means my family is not safe. So, boil down to me to make my decision. And this, I'm a new life, a new path.
So at the new part, Jenna, you decide what you're going to do differently.
For now, I just want to stay and spend some time with my daughter, you see me? And I will decide what I'm going to do for the new year.
In the real life, still in a charge, you look like something good on, you know. I like how that sound.
For real. I like how you sound, my brother.
I just want them there, man. Good. Bitch, what about?
They are do the right thing. You see it? Me this, you know. So me stay here now, you see it?
It's a good look, you know. Like when I see. And I tell you so my father there with bossy, I see it and I say, yeah man, love the look, you know. But you know I could tarry at the time, so I could even pass on my blessings, you see it? But pick up yourself, brother.
You know, I tell the Jenna, man, I mean him just there reason out, you know, I tell him something, love the movements, you know, cause him a do this now, I run him little juice bar and it is a go and do him little crafting them and me as a butcher, finish up the studio and them a do the right thing. Everybody do the right thing and you, well, you don't know what you're going to do yet still, but I know you're going to do the right thing, you know what I mean? So big up yourself, man.
You don't know enough more about me already, man. Remember say me a hustler too, you know. I know the streets.
You didn't have to tell me that. I know, well, I did believe say you're a real hustler. Hey, Vish, man, make me think you're a real hustler when I time, you know. Man tell me say I want some sense if I juggle. I go so bad man get him sense when I tell me man ask me for bag juice. See? And I say, hold on. Let me tell you what the man make upon. You see the same thing what it is I do. Yeah. When I tell my dad me run. And me say the man there on the whole of Reddy's road. I tell you after the whole of Reddy's road I sell. And before me know say my feds under the quiet. And I tell you when me hear. And I say, youth, you're good. You sure you want to left the line of work because fit you know youth.
Yeah man, I never tell a lie man. I want to tell you some sample I sit in front of him and I time I grab a bag from him man. Boy, I tell you say to deal with me. But me not tell a lie still, me did love it still, you know.
Never me that one about that piece that we did grab in a brother. And numbers me get it from, man. I'm say the best from West, him never lie. You see me? But here you know, see that line I wrote there, brother. It might look smooth and merry, you know, but it's rough. Because you have to can blend in, you see me? And it come with a whole heap of challenges. And if my face go out there and people find out say me, where I do this line of work and me there in the streets are trouble, different ball game that. So I have to make sure, step aside, you see me? And every day at Christmas, brother.
Just do the right thing, man. Just do the right thing. Anything you feel in your spirit, my lord, just do the right thing. Because I'm proud of the item, man. Because I know where the whole of Spanish town through they are forward from, and I know where you are forward from as a youth. And I tell you this. That's why my little nephew want him to run some positive influence now, but I'm kind of giddy. When I think when I talk to him about how the man dress code, car, when I link him up and forward down here, man, the man just look, him not look right. Saying, want him do the right thing, because like I tell people, I'm a one nephew, I'm a one try with him. You get what I say? But I know him soon. I'm always say when you talk about the devil forward, you know. Yeah, Chase, what go on? You get your KFC? Where you there? So that happened? Youth, what happened? Alright, me a forward down there now. Yo, man. Move, see ya.
One more.
You tell me say in that police station. Police hold him now, Western Union. Yo, what that?